Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to program a new remote on a 2004 Nissan Murano. So let's get started. The programming process is actually pretty simple. So today I want to program this new remote that I got off eBay. It's an aftermarket remote. It's not factory. It's just a newer style remote with the electronics in the old body. So say I want to do that. First thing I do, open the door, then close the door, lock the door, insert and remove slowly until the hazard lights flash. Then I turn it to the accessory position and I press and hold, and it's programmed. So hit unlock, open the door, and I'm all set. So now when I go to use a new remote, there you go. It works. And it really is that easy. That is how you program a new remote in a 2004 Murano. If you have any questions, I'd be glad to answer them. Just drop a comment below. And good luck programming. I'll see you in the next one.